G'day folks, it's Rob here on a bit of a windy Wednesday. Sorry if it's a bit blustery in the audio there. This clip is pretty much all just going to bring everyone up to date on what's going on behind the scenes here. I've started a new membership website. It's basically something I'm managing by myself, where I have the same sort of perks as I've had previously on Patreon and then Subscribestar. It's basically a way for anyone who wants to, no pressure whatsoever, to toss a couple of dollars every month, and in return I give you a couple of perks, whether it's exclusive content, photos, little blogs or vlogs, video blogs of what's going on here behind the scenes, and some levels also have access to a monthly hangout. So all details to this new membership site called Farm Your Own Yard are down in the description below if you want to suss out what's available there. Now, one of the reasons I've decided to open a new site is because the platform I'm hosting it on is called Podia. It also allows me to create downloadable content that I can offer as some of the perks for you folks who want to subscribe to a membership over there. There'll be helpful guides for parts lists for builds, or maybe a step-by-step instruction for something. So just something I can offer extra to folks who want to support the channel in other ways. On that platform, I can also host courses. So that's something I'm definitely interested in, because I have had a few people want a bit of a step-by-step guide on video guide on how to build certain bits and pieces or run systems, or how to set up different flow rates. So I thought what I might do is I might have a crack at making up a tutorial or two myself. The first one I'm going to have a bash at is making up an IBC based aquaponics system for the backyard grower. Something I've got a little bit of experience on and think I know a thing or two about, so I thought I'd have a crack at that first and just see, you know, if I'm sort of suited to making up courses and that sort of thing. It won't be happening just yet, guys, but I do have the IBCs ready. Thank you very much, Anita and John, and I will be start to film it and edit it in a couple of weeks' time. And just quickly, for you folks that are concerned that I won't be uploading content here to YouTube anymore, that is not the case. I'll still be doing the walkthroughs of how I've built things, and you know, looking at system progress and that sort of thing. The courses for more detailed, intricate look at different bits and pieces, explanations why, things that you can't generally do in a 10-minute video here on YouTube. But you know, other people will charge quite a lot of money for that sort of thing through their own courses and bits and pieces. I'm looking at keeping everything affordable for everyone who's working on a budget, you know, just to help them out. And yeah, if I diversify my income through different sources, as I'll explain in a minute, I'll be able to keep the prices very low, so anyone who has enough money to build their own system will definitely be able to afford one of these basic little courses, just to get, you know, peace of mind that they're doing it the correct way. So now I've got the Farm Your Own Yard site, I no longer need Subscribestar, a third-party platform, so I will be shutting it down on the 31st of October. So you folks who do want to make the move from Subscribestar over to the Farm Your Own Yard platform on a paid level, if you come over at the same level as you were supporting me on Subscribestar, I will refund your first month's dues as a way to say thank you very much for following this around the web and for the support you've shown. So I really do appreciate it. That even goes for you guys who are super supporters and who are paying at the top tier. I'll refund your first month, not a problem whatsoever. So yeah, do keep in mind though that if you're using a different name, you will have to give me a heads up and say, send me a message. There's a link to where you can email me over there and say, hey, it's me from Subscribestar, and yeah, I'll process the refund. Just to let you know why I'm having a bit of a crack at doing this, the online courses and consultations and that sort of thing, is because I've been a stay-at-home dad for the last 20 years. Actually, we were talking about May's 21st last night. Over 20 years now, I've been a stay-at-home dad. For the first couple of years, we were actually homeschooling the girls, doing all the curriculum ourselves with a lot of help from Bianca. And while they've been in high school, we've been doing School of Distance Education. So yeah, it's pretty much all been a full-time job doing that. And now May has left home, obviously, and Kira's in her last couple of years of school, so I need to work out some way to make this all pay, so I can continue doing what I love to do, and that's making YouTube videos and helping people out with their own stuff. So I'm putting all my eggs in one basket, and I'm going to try and yeah, make a living basically working from home. So that's pretty much why I'm going down this avenue. If it doesn't work over the next couple of years, I'll be back out in the workforce, and yeah, we'll see what happens to the channel after that time. I think I can make a pretty good go of it. The people who I've already done consultation work for seem to be happy so far. I've had no complaints. So yeah, and for you folks who are interested in checking out what I do have on offer for the membership site, there will be a link at the end and also a link down in the description for you to suss it out. There is also a free membership level where you just get general updates and that sort of thing. And for you folks, just quickly at the end here, for you folks who think, oh, Rob's cashing in, I always get that comment whenever I mention in a clip specifically about membership. Well, how do you get paid? How do you make a living? This is pretty much, well, the only thing I do to get money at the moment is YouTube, answering questions for free under videos, and the small amount of funds I get through our small little shop, online shop. So yeah, I have no problem at all with setting up a membership program because I know I'm giving something in return. Thank you very much again to all you folks who have been supporting us over the years, whether it's just here on YouTube or on the different membership platforms. I really do appreciate it, and I'll catch you later. Cheers folks, have a top one.